Immigration rights are basically constitutional rights. Once you're here in the United States, you are afforded the rights of the Constitution. So therefore, you have the rights of freedom of speech, you have the right to protect yourself against illegal search and seizure, you have all the rights that all the other citizens of the United States have.
ICE is Immigration Customs Enforcement. They are a subsection or a department under the Department of Homeland Security, and they are primarily focused on the deportation of individuals who are found to be unlawfully present in the United States.
Do you have a lawyer? No?
However, if you come in undocumented, then that's where you have issues because the forms of relief in order to stay in the United States are very limited.
And so I advise all the people out there that if someone knocks on your door and they say they want you to open the door, you ask them if they have a warrant.
What you're going to look for is to see if the name is correct. You want to see if the date of birth is correct. Usually there is a picture and you want to see if that picture correlates to who you are.
Then, is it signed by a judge?
Never falsify information because giving false information will incur additional charges that they can file against you. 2 is that you always want a proceeding before a judge. 3 is you want to be mindful that if you are here illegally, you should be very aware of the laws that affect your stay.
But there are a lot of people out here that are willing to help. There are a lot of nonprofit organizations, if you can't afford a lawyer, that are doing work to try to make sure that people have rights when they're in immigration court and they understand their rights.
The National Bar Association wants you to know your rights. The information in these videos are just that, information. They are not a substitute for legal advice. If you run into an issue, we ask you to consult the authorities and seek legal advice. Find yourself an attorney.